I've been holding my breath too long, smiling through every wrong. You said love was pressure and pain, so I stayed quiet, stayed the same. I bent until I disappear, learned to swallow every fear. They said strong means never stop, but my hands are shaking non-stop. I don't need a break, I don't need a breakdown. I just need a break now, before I drown. But I mean a damage, you think I mean it, but I just need a break to feel human again. I don't need a Every silence sounded like blame. Every promise felt rehearsed the same. I thought ruin was the only door, that rest was something I couldn't afford. I don't want the wreckage scene, no burning bridges, gasoline. I don't wanna watch it fall apart. I just want quiet in my heart. I don't need a break, I don't need a breakdown. I just need a break now, before I drown. You hear goodbye, that's not what I meant. I just need a break before I'm spent. Maybe you wanted war when I said I need a break. I didn't mean shattered on the floor. I meant sleep without fear. I meant air in my chest. I meant 5 quiet minutes where my heart can rest. I don't need a break, I don't need a breakdown. I just need a break now, to stay around. I'm not ending the story, I'm choosing myself instead. I don't need a break, anything. I just need rest.